So a lot of homeowners asking me, what are the most popular window styles out there today? And the reality is, it really depends on the type of home you have. So what I would say is when it comes to styles, like black is exceptionally popular right now. So we're seeing more and more black exterior as well as black interior windows. That's very popular. Another thing to consider is like what's within your neighborhood. And so a lot of times homeowners have double hung windows now and they want casements, and we're happy to put them in, but it doesn't really fit the architecture. They have a small bungalow or small cottage and every one of their neighbors has double hungs and they have, grids on the windows. And so a big part of it is thinking about the neighborhood around you and what that looks like. Another unfortunate thing to consider is due to new codes, you got to have an egress in every single bedroom. So there's a lot of homeowners that have a double hung window today, and that's okay. There's no problem with it meets code. But the second we change it, we got to bring it up to code. So there's plenty of times where we have to put in a casement or a slider. Otherwise, you're not going to meet fire code. And when you go to sell your house, it's just going to be an issue. They're going to make you change it. So that's one of the reasons why when you hire the right window contractor, he'll educate you on small different code updates and things we have to do. So when you go to sell your house, you're not going to have to do the same thing twice. A lot of times for kitchen sinks, we're upgrading to an awning window or a casement window because the homeowner wants to be able to crank it out. It's hard to reach. It's not very easy to see there. So a lot of homeowners are looking at awnings or casement windows around things like kitchen sinks. So because it's much more accessible, it's much more easy to open it. Another thing to consider really though is around energy efficiency. And then also safety. So casement windows are going to be better against wind and energy efficiency. And they're very almost impossible to open. So security is a big issue for you, like it is in certain places in Kansas City. We're having more and more homeowners that get in basements opt towards things like casements because of the security involved and how much safer of a window it is.